Hey guys, Suresh here from TMCB. In today's video, let's talk and understand what are the things that you need to keep in mind in order to become a fast programming engineer or to learn coding or programming in a much more efficient way. So without much further delay, let's directly get into the topic. Okay guys, before entering into the topic, I request all of you all to subscribe to the channel if you guys have still not subscribed to my channel. And for anyone who's new to my channel, also please subscribe and click on that bell icon. Do like this video because in case you like the video, the YouTube algorithm places my video at the top, which fetches me more number of views. So it's my humble request for you guys to subscribe and like it. Now coming to the topic, the number one thing that you should consider before learning is have a good amount of sleep. Yes, many people would say don't sleep for a long time, it ruins your day, you waste your time, and we are not born to sleep. Yes, of course, if someone's sleeping for 12 hours, 13 hours, please don't do that. But it is really necessary for you to get at least 5 to 6 hours of sleep, or 7 hours of sleep is what I would recommend. Regardless of whatever you do, I understand there'll be many working professions and the only time that they get to learn would be after they reach their home post their work, and they might sit and work till 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning, and they might get up again by 6 in the morning. So their sleep is only about 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Please don't do this, because if you are someone who's doing that, you already know that your next day has never been to its fullest productivity, right? You're always sleeping in your office, or you're always sleeping when you're traveling, and the amount of activities that you do on the next day is reduced by 30 or 40%, or in some cases it's even reduced by 70%. So this does no good to you, right? You think that by skipping sleep you're learning something, but you're actually losing a lot more than just learning, right? And also, to be really honest, whatever you learned the previous night, not everything will be in your mind. You're actually only going to remember a couple of easy topics, and any complex topics you might have to learn it or revise it on the next day. So my humble request would be, try not to skip your sleep, but find time that you can learn. For example, when you're traveling in a bus, or when you're commuting in a metro, or let's say if you are working in an IT company, there are usually cabs that comes and picks you up, right? When you're traveling, try and read the documentations there. Nowadays, all the videos are available in your phone. Your internet is very affordable, so you can recharge your internet, the required amount of internet that you need to watch the whole video. All of these things are there, so try and utilize the amount of times that you waste. If possible, try and skip your Saturday parties, your Sunday parties that you usually leave your home at 3 in the afternoon or 4 in the afternoon. Try and skip these, because most of the IT persons or most of the corporate people have leaves on Saturday, Sunday. Try and utilize your Saturdays, Sundays to the maximum. For a couple of months, let's say 6 to 7 months, just forget that you have a Sunday. Work all 7 days, where Monday to Friday you work on your office, and Saturday, Sunday is for your learning. Like if you want to learn coding, data science, artificial intelligence, whatever it is, just take your Saturdays, Sundays and do it. The number two thing is, if you guys are not working out, please start doing it, because if you're only giving too much of workload to your brain, and if your body is not able to take it, you still can't perform to the maximum, guys. Trust me, I've been through it. Also, please go check out my previous videos, my initial videos. My shoulders and the way I used to sit used to be completely different of how I'm sitting. Right now, I feel so much more confident to be in front of the video, to talk to you all in a much more confident way. I feel, I'm a little stronger than how I was before, because previously I was a person who only used to give a lot of work or put a lot of load on my brain and not on my body. I only used to get up in the morning, eat, read, sleep, again get up, eat, read, sleep. This is how my whole routine was for the day. But once I started hitting the gyms, I feel much more active throughout the day. I am able to learn much more things than I can, because technically when you go to gym, you can reduce your anxiety, you can reduce the amount of stress that you go through. You tend to forget all of the depressions that are there in your life. If you guys are not going to gym, start going to gym. For some people, you guys might not have time to go to gym. For people like that, try and do any activities, not just gym. You can do yoga, you can do skipping inside your place, you can static jog, or you can just jump at your place. Just do some push-ups, 5 minutes of push-ups, or sit-ups, whatever is possible. Just make sure that you give some workout to your body, which not only develops your learning methodology but also makes you look good, guys. I mean, come on. Of course, once your body is fit and slim, everybody looks good, right? So, and the reason why I'm telling this is, if when you're going to an interview, you really have to be confident about yourself, and if you're not confident, it's not gonna work out. So try and make yourself confident. If you're feeling inferior and stuff like that, it automatically boosts your other aspects of learning methodologies as well. Number 3 is eat well. Eat well doesn't mean hog the unnecessary foods or the processed foods. Eat well, I mean include a lot of veggies, include a lot of vegan products, and I'm not trying to tell don't include the non-veg products. You can, but keep it in a limited proportions, or eat in a small portions, but eat healthy food. Please avoid all of these processed drinks and stuff, because at times that might put you off. It might cause you some stomach upsets and all of these things, which in return is just gonna take up a lot of time in your life in order for you to recover. And also, eating healthy food keeps you light, makes you do a lot more things that you can in a particular day, rather than feeling hefty in your stomach and not able to do anything, just burping all around or farting all around. Just makes you a very uncomfortable person, right? Regardless of wherever or whatever place you're at. So my humble opinion is, eat good healthy food, which keeps you light and also gives you a lot of protein and other vitamins that helps you internally, because not just your outer part but your internal part also has to be good in order for you to learn for a long amount of hours, right? Now the fourth thing is, here and there, please take a break. Nobody is gonna become a scientist if you're just gonna start reading straight for the next 100 hours. You're not gonna become a scientist. So just don't get into this myth, the longer amount of times you put, you're just gonna get better at it. No, you're actually gonna become worse at it, because you just learn something for 100 hours straight without giving a break to your body, without taking a nap, without giving yourself some time in order to rejuvenate yourself. You're just harming yourself, and of course you're gonna lose what you read in the first hour during your 100th hour, right? Doesn't actually make any sense to y'all, or it doesn't even profit you in any ways. So please take timely breaks. If possible, go out for a long ride. Just go meet the nature. Just stand under a tree and just sit and don't think anything. Just look at what people are doing around. This sort of puts your brain to a subtle state of mind, gets you back where you are, and makes you understand a lot more things that is possible, and keeps you in a very state of calm mind, right? That's really important for you to understand, because coding is all about solving problems, and you do not want to stay in a problem in order to solve a problem. You have to be a really good, and you need to have a really clear mind in order to solve a problem. So go for a long ride. If not possible for a long ride, just go to any malls or anything that gives you that peace of mind and a little motivation and pleasure. I would definitely ask you to take breaks in between. And the fifth thing is, revise whatever you learn. Many people make this mistake that they start something, and the most easiest things, they feel that they're going faster. For example, print functions like print hello world, or your string functions or type functions, all of these are very easy, so people don't revise these things. But as you go further, people forget what it is actually. So my humble advice is, revise every week what you learned on the previous week. I would say that 7 days of revision is what it is necessary, because up to 7 days everybody will remember, regardless of whatever level of IQs you have. Someone who's got a better IQ might even remember till 21 days. Someone who's got a lower IQ or average IQ will for sure remember for at least 7 days. I tend to do revision on daily basis, so that I just double make sure that I know the concepts. So please revise. Do not skip your revisions if you're learning something. And please guys, this 5 things does not only apply for programming or coding. This could be for anything. If you want to learn journalism, if you want to learn botany, if you want to learn physics, if you want to learn chemistry, all of these 5 things are really important for you to understand. So revise. This is my 5th point. You might feel that all of these 5 points are so basic, and how is this gonna put a change into my learning methodology? it is basic, but not many people even understand or fail to do these basic things. And please understand this, you will have to do it with consistent. You can't just do it for 1 week and then not do it and then be like nothing has changed, what did this guy say? No, you will have to do this for straight 3 months or 4 months in order to at least see some basic level of changes. I've been doing this from past 2 to 3 months now, and I'm seeing extreme good amount of changes in my lifestyle and the way I carry myself. I'm really good and I feel proud about myself nowadays. So I would also want all of my viewers and subscribers to go ahead and do this and also feel the difference in your life and enjoy that moment of proudness. So with that, I will end today's video. I will catch you up on next video. Till then, Suraj here signing off from DMCB. Peace.